In this video, I will show you the full setup of CCTV to DVR, DVR to monitor connections. The basic connections, how you can do if you are installing the CCTV in your shop or in your house or in your office, how you can install by your cell phone. This video will going to helpful for you. I will show you here the two CCTV. You can install many CCTVs following these steps. So I just demonstrate the two CCTV, then link with this DVR H264. Here is Premier TM, but this one is only name, but the brand is, this one is local DVR China brand H.264 normal. This one everyone is know about this DVR. As you can see here, digital video recorder H3508, and then that is the serial number. This one is the old model DVR, as you can see. And then here, if you see the connections, if I can show you, this one is the 4 audio video input and then 8 input camera, so we can use the 8 input camera. And then this one audio out is port, and then video output, and then alarm system on the top, and then VGA output, LAN cable, USB, and 12 volt DC input 4 on the DVR. So this one is our DVR going to install. And then this one I'm using the normal analog CCTV. I'm using the mouse and then these two charger for the CCTV, and then this one is BNC jack. I just buy the built-in. So if you do the wiring, you just cut this cable from the half, and then you connect how long you want to input your cable, or you run the any cable in your project. After, you can put the two connector, BNC connector for the CCTV, and then the 12 volt DC voltage. And then this one I'm using for the DVR. This one is the for the monitor, and then this one VGA cable I take already from the monitor. So we are going to plug in here. So first thing, we start the link the power to our DVR, but we not on the supply. And then second thing, we link our mouse here in the USB, because we are doing the step by step. Now the mouse is already, we put in the USB. Then third thing, we link our output source VGA. Then now the first camera we link here, and then we use this Connex cable. And then you see here is the pin. If my camera can show you, then just insert and then do like that, so it will work perfectly. And then here we link the camera number 1. For example, I link number 1. Now another camera also we add here the same thing. We put the BNC jack and then put here the camera number 2. Then after that we link our chargers. So we link the first camera here, the input 12 volt, and then another camera also we link. Now the second camera we link the 12 volt. So here is the connection to understand. BNC and then 12 volt. BNC and 12 volt. Now we turn on our all the charger device. So we click the next. This one is the basic setup. Later I will show you in the next video how you can connect the internet, and then how you can set up the recording, everything. Now as you can see, my 2 camera is connected. Now you can see our both camera is working perfectly. And then another setup I will show you in the next video, because I don't want a long video. So I will show you in the next video how to set up the internet, and then how you can remotely link by your phone or anywhere in the world you want to set up this DVR, and then want to watch this all CCTV by remotely, how you can access everything, network setup, everything I will show you in the next video. You have to write in the comment below, so I will make another video on this topic. So we'll see how.